Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're going to look at literele X, Y, Z. Letters X, Y, Z. Hai să începem. Let's start. Litera X. Letter X. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is X. It is pronounced like the X in box. Box. Target vocabulary for today's lesson is xylophone, xenophobe, xerocopie. Now, let's see what do these words mean. Xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. Xenophobe, xenophobe, xenophobe. Xerocopie, xerocopie, photocopy. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Fetița învață să cânte la xilofon. Fetița învață să cânte la xilofon. The young girl is learning the xylophone. După ce a călătorit prin lume, Ion nu mai este xenofob. După ce a călătorit prin lume, Ion nu mai este xenofob. After traveling around the world, John stopped being a xenophobe. Am nevoie de o xerocopie a acestui document. Am nevoie de o xerocopie a acestui document. I need a photocopy of this document. Litera Y. Letter Y. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is Y or Y. It is pronounced like double E in beat. Beat. Now, the target vocabulary for today's lesson is yală, yogist, yancheu. Now, let's see what do these words mean. Yală, yală, dorloc. Yogist, yogist, yogi. Yancheu, yancheu, yankee. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Mi s-a stricat iala. Mi s-a stricat iala. My door lock broke. Am întâlnit un yogist în India. Am întâlnit un yogist în India. I met a yogi in India. Mark Twain a scris cartea Un yancheu la curtea regelui Arthur în 1889. Mark Twain a scris cartea Un yancheu la curtea regelui Arthur în 1889. Mark Twain wrote the book A Connecticut Yankee in King Arthur's Court in 1889. Litera Z. Letter Z. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is Z or Z or Z or Z. It is pronounced like Z in quiz. Quiz. The target vocabulary for today's lesson is zid, ziua, zăpadă. Now, let's see, what do these words mean? Zid, zid, wall. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Zăpadă, zăpadă, snow. Zid, zebra, zăpadă. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Băiatul a aruncat mingea peste zid. Băiatul a aruncat mingea peste zid. The boy threw the ball over the wall. Leoaica fuge după zebră. Leoaica fuge după zebră. The lioness is running after the zebra. Drumul din fața casei mele este acoperit de zăpadă. Drumul din fața casei mele este acoperit de zăpadă. The road in front of my house is covered in snow. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!